Oh, it's coming this way.
Yep, that's exactly what I was saying.
Let Jack. Drop that side.
What's up, guys? So I'm here with well, I can't be here with anyone because I'm at my house, but I've got Dylan and Kyle with me.
Hey, what's up, guys?
They are helping me with something. As you see by the title of this video, yes, we are finally working on the Fiesta, the other one. So if you guys watch my previous videos, you'd see that I mentioned that this car is not driving anymore, and the reason for that is because the gearbox left the chat. So yeah, again for like the third time.
It's a common issue though. I've done it 3 times too.
Yeah, so as you heard, it's a common issue. It's not just me saying it's common. It's every single Fiesta ST150 owner saying the same thing. And I think if you do own one of these cars, eventually you're gonna have to replace the gearbox. Well, that's obviously if you don't, if you're the lucky one. If you're one of the lucky ones that, you know, your gearbox never goes.
If you're a common ST owner, then yeah, this is quite common. The pinion gear the pinion comes loose on the diff and the diff explodes. So yeah, that's part of his diff. But we'll sort it out.
So basically, what's gonna happen now is we're gonna strip the front of the car so that we can access the gearbox, because it's a lot easier to access when
To
you
clarify, we don't have to take the front off, but like you said, easier.
yes
A lot easier to access the starter even with the whole front of the car off.
100%. So we're gonna completely remove the front so we can access the box. It'll just make our lives a lot easier. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the journey with me, and we're definitely going to see from there.
Oh, it's coming this way.
Yep, that's exactly what I was saying.
I'm Jack.
And then I'll go on the other side.
Are you guys good that side, sir?
Jeez, bro.
Yeah, nah.
Giving us grief.
Yeah, no, it doesn't want to be fixed today. If it can just rotate so that I can grip it on the bottom, that would be fantastic.
So Chad, tell us what you're busy with here.
I am busy being the most professional individual this earth has ever seen.
Nobody can take this pipe off except a professional.
I'm trying my best. There we go. We win. Professionals. cradle's off, front of the car is off, and
Finally.
yeah, it's looking like we can access the gearbox easier now. So you'll see the gearbox is over here. I could get that focus. Show them where the gearbox is there.
Here's the gearbox,
That's it,
yeah. The main problem was the starter. There's the bolt over there, and then all the way in the top there's another bolt.
It's to get to it, right?
To get to it
Yeah.
with everything on is the problem.
And that's the problem. So we didn't have to take it off, but it makes life easier to take it off.
So much easier.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I don't recognize this car actually. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my days, bro. Look at this. Ouch. Well,
They didn't give me the long bolt.
that's why we're here.
Long ball.
That is why we are here. I don't even know what to say. Like, I knew there was a hole. I knew.
But there's 3.
Okay, thanks. You just added more. You just added more. Thanks, bro.
So you know the car's been driven well.
Do you know? That's a question.
Well, you know the car's been driven. It's been put to use.
Look at Panta's face. We're gonna drive the car like that now.
No.
I'm telling you. We're going now.
No.
Yeah? That's how the car is gonna look from now on. So Dylan, tell us about this balance point on the gearbox.
So if you can find basically where the balance point is, so you don't want too much weight on the left or too much weight on the right. So just past the reverse light switch, if you wrap it around the center of the box, then you basically got the balance point. So then when you pull it out, it doesn't tilt to the side. So you kind of got to loop it around, but yeah, that'll be 100%.
You're gonna stress once you see the whole engine and that tilting like this, because then we gotta slide the gearbox out.
Bro, let me tell you something. I am stressed just looking at the car like this.
It's okay though. Once the gearbox is rebuilt and it's in your, you're gonna be happy. It's a whole different feeling. Once the gearbox is running properly, it's all worth it.
And also to have seen it done, to be
Yeah,
part
you
of
know it's done properly.
Yeah.
100%, bro.
So if we make Kyle tighten something and 2 weeks later that thing falls out,
then you know.
Then we know it's Kyle. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Oh, yes. Sorry, guys. If you guys are wondering who this other random guy is, he's Pluto.
Yeah, this is Pluto.
Yes. His name is Dylan, but
we call him Pluto.
they call him Pluto. Yeah.
I actually got called Pluto because I was fed when this met me. He said I look like Pluto, the planet.
So, next up, gearbox drops after this.
After we eat.
And eating. I forgot about that. Yes. We're gonna take a break and then, yeah. Yeah, it's been a day. Let me not lie. It's been a day. But we've had no problems since. Right, guys?
Professional.
Yeah, professionals.
Last time.
When you started moving. Okay, guys. So if you're wondering why I'm not under there doing all these things, it's maybe because I don't have the knowledge that Dylan has. So that's why I just dedicated myself to helping out and shooting and making sure that my bolts don't go missing because I don't want that.
You're keeping us like a failure.
Oh yeah, I'm feeding the guys because you know it's what we do. But yeah, gearbox is almost out. Dylan is busy taking the last bolts out.
Put them
And
in order. Okay.
He's shouting.
Just lay them down.
He's shouting
Shout.
Pluto.
One.
Pluto's in trouble. I think Pluto's gonna go home and cry.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna I don't even know what to say anymore. That thing is stuff, my bro. And then also this is like all the way down under the gearbox holding it. So yeah, brothers.
Do you have any messages for people watching? Please, no VW hate, please. Okay? I know you're gonna say something ugly. Do not. We love all cars on this channel. Please.
Yeah, hey, I never said I don't like a VW or an Audi. I just said if the gearbox goes, knowing DSG gearboxes, if it goes, either replace the gearbox or sell the car. That's all I said.
Fair enough.
Because DSG gearbox, you don't want to open up and work on it.
Actually, if your DSG gearbox goes, buy a 150 with the gearbox money.
There we go. One down at a time. Just one down at a time. Yeah, bro. There we go. There we go. Come down, come down. See how it's not smooth. See it's like,
Wow.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, bro. This thing exploded. What? There's no way. There is actually no way.
how's your clutch? Hey, Chad.
Yeah?
You're lucky, my boy.
Clutch is fine.
Driving.
Yes! Clutch is fine.
Yes. I'm so happy, bro.
Yeah, strike.
So that we stopped this car just in time.
Just in time.
Just in time.
Just in time.
There we go.
It's out.
Guys, I'm happy. Yes, man. Okay, but we still have a problem. But yes. Small wins, small wins.
But look at this thing. My gosh, bro. It really left the chat.
It didn't just leave the chat, it left the balance.
Flip it, man.
Yeah, so we'll sort this
GG's
out.
Gearbox.
Sort this out.
It was nice knowing you. But yes, for you guys that don't know how a gearbox actually looks, boom. There, a gearbox. A broken one. If you want it, come fetch it.
So that integrity.
Yeah, I chowed it, bro. But this is the first time I've ever... Well, it's the second one I've seen like this, bro.
That combust from the
Yeah, the diff exploding, bro. Second one I've seen personally now, yeah. But yeah,
And how does that happen?
like I said, so this either comes loose. It's a common problem actually for these to work themselves loose. But in your case, yours literally broke off in pieces. And then when that happens, these gears basically just come swinging out of the gearbox. So
Because they obviously swivel around.
yeah, exactly. Yeah,
And
yeah,
they
yeah,
shoot
yeah,
out.
Yeah, so
Crazy.
yeah. But like I said, it's okay. We've got basically 2 gearboxes worth of parts. So if you want to include this one, 2.5. So we can definitely build you a box and we can definitely sort you out. So
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. So just a quick rundown of what we did today. We stopped the front of the car, took the cradle out, took the bumper off, lights and all those things so that we could access the gearbox. We eventually got the gearbox out. As you guys saw in the video, it's trashed, it's completely finished. However, I'm very grateful that the clutch is not damaged or contaminated, which is a good thing because that means I can at least still use the clutch. I mean, the clutch isn't even that old from the time I replaced it before. So the gearbox has been sent with Dylan. Homie's going to kind of strip it for me. In the meantime, while he does that, I am going to get some recon parts, which we will then put together to kind of make sure that the gearbox is running 100% again. On that note, I want to give a huge thank you to Dylan, as well as Kyle, as well as other Dylan, Pluto. Thank you guys so much for coming through and helping me. I truly appreciate it because I was really intimidated by this, and Dylan's knowledge on these type of things, because he has experience, really came in clutch today. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today and helping me with the car. You guys will definitely see them in part 2. So yeah, again, huge shout out to them. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one for part 2.